Daniel's just a great, genuine guy. From the first day I saw him, he came in, you can tell he's frustrated and in a lot of pain.
I said, I need help. I'm tired of being in pain, and can you help me fix this? Whatever we have to do. An old injury, I broke it in 2000, and I had it surgically repaired. So over those years since 2000, arthritis has set in, and it just got progressively worse. So I made an appointment with Dr. Lai, and we made a plan.
What's special about him with total ankle replacement was that we're able to use some of the newest technology out there, and the implant I use specifically is a 3D printed cut block. We get a special CT scan that takes into consideration all the imperfections and the arthritic changes and the joint space narrowing of his ankle. And from there, it's able to give me a three-dimensional diagram of exactly what his ankle joint is like. They make a 3D printed cut block that's specific to his ankle only. And from there, that's able to guide me with my surgery and actually give me a more accurate and precise tool to put the total ankle replacement in.
I can tell you it was the best decision I made. The recovery was minimal. The pain was minimal, especially the first 2 or 3 weeks. After that, I mean, it was just, we were just taking our time. I felt like I could have, walked on it right away, but, we were just taking care of making sure it was healing right.
I'm very fortunate enough to be part of Orthopaedic University Associates, a great group of 12 physicians covering all different areas of the body. What's great about it is it has that community feel. You're a person to us. We care about you. We take every aspect to account, and we treat you the best we can and get you better. And Shore Orthopedic teaming up with Shore Medical Center is number one, getting you better, but getting you back to what you love to do.
I was treated fantastic from the time I went to admissions. The ladies up there were super nice. They made me comfortable until the time I left. The nursing staff was impeccable. The gentleman that took me to my car after the surgery when I was discharged, wheeling me down, the whole staff was fantastic.